Hello everyone, my name is Veer, and in this video we are going to see how we can install the Git on Windows, and then we'll try to push our code to GitHub. Okay, so for that what I have done, I have downloaded the Git for Windows from git-scm.com for our ready reference. So we'll see how we can install this particular exe. So what I'll do, I'll go to the downloads folder and I'll just double click on this to start our installation process. Okay, so click on next. It will ask for the default installation folder. If you wanted to add a shortcut for the desktop, add it. Click on next. It's like a default next. Okay, next, install. So it may take 1 or 2 minutes depending upon your computer speed to install this. So meanwhile I'll log into my GitHub repo. So I had logged in. I have created one folder or a repository on GitHub called as Jenkins demo. Okay, so we'll try to push our code under this particular repository. Okay, the installation is going on. See, the installation has been now finished. Okay, so just close this particular window. So now let's see how we can push the code to GitHub. So we have installed the Git on my local machine. Now let's see how we can push the code. Okay, so for that I will flip to IntelliJ. So I have initialized the Git repository using the command git init. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just right click on the folder, project folder. I'll click on commit directory. Okay, I have mentioned the commit message, and let's click on commit. Okay, so it is asking me a git username. Okay, so I'll write as whatever the git username and password that I have for my GitHub. Okay, I'll set this globally and I'll commit it. Okay, so it has committed my source code locally. Okay, now what we will do, we'll push this code to remote repo. So for that I have already created one folder. Okay, now we have to push it to remote repo. So what you have to do is you have to execute this particular command. So I'll paste it over here. Now I added the remote repository. Now I have to execute this one more command, git push origin master. Sorry, so I'll just so maybe it will ask you for a password. Yes, so here I will type my email ID and password and click on login. So what it will do, it will authenticate. Why it is not, I think my password. Yes, now it has taken the password correctly and it has pushed the code to the GitHub. So let's go to the GitHub and let's see whether the code is available on GitHub. See, all the code is now available on GitHub, right? Okay, so in the next video what we will do, we will execute the Jenkins job using the code that is available on the GitHub. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching this video.